Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Now if you're a lover of sweets, I'm sure you're going to enjoy this delicious sweet rainbow popcorn recipe. When I was a child, I used to enjoy our family time at the seawall eating an array of treats from the vendors there, one of which was this sweet, colorful popcorn. So if you're interested in learning the recipe, go ahead and keep watching. Now the first thing I'm going to do is add 2 tablespoons of oil to a pan to hot. Once it's hot, I'm going to add 1/3 cup of popcorn kernels to it and just wait for the popping to unfold. Now once that's done, I'm going to work on my sugar mixture for the popcorn. In a small saucepan, I'm going to add 1 cup of hot water and 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of white sugar to melt. Feel free to add less sugar if you wish. At this point, I'm also going to add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract to give it a nice taste. I'm going to keep stirring until it's the perfect consistency. Now it's reached the consistency I want. As you can see, it's not too thick because if it was, you wouldn't be able to pour it all over your popcorn. What I'm going to do now is measure out about 1/4 cup of my sugar mixture and pour it inside of a bowl. I'm also going to add about 7 to 8 drops of food coloring, giving it a nice mix so it's blended in. Today I'm using the colors green, blue, red, and yellow. Once that's done, I'm going to throw my popcorn into a bowl and pour my sugar mixture over top, giving it a nice mix together. I'm going to complete this process until I'm all done. Alright guys, here it is. I was so excited with the finished product. I thought it looked so pretty. I love all things colorful, and the added bonus is the fact that this is an edible sweet treat too. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, share, hit that post notification bell, subscribe, and leave all your comments and questions down below. Thanks so much for your support and for watching. I'll see you next time in my next video.